Coming to you from the innovative, immersive Hyundai Virtual Next Weather Sphere. This is Next Weather.
Clear skies in Center City tonight, warm days making for a summery night, and we've got at least one more before things start to cool down just a bit. Meteorologist Andrew Kozak is in the Hyundai Next Weather Sphere. Andrew, how long until things begin to feel a bit more seasonal as far as fall is? We're talking about fall in about 5 days or so.
Well, here's the thing. It's going to cool down a little bit, but then by the end of this upcoming week, we may be closer to 90 than 80 again. So we'll call it false fall coming our way, at least right now. Good evening, everybody. Let's start off first with a look at those temperatures because it has been so nice out there. Let's go ahead and bring the map up and check those out, see where we're at right now. Because currently in Philadelphia, even as of 11:24 at night, we're at 70 degrees. So it's nice and mild. I want to say warm, but mild for sure. We're just about there as we head toward the Wilmington area. We're at 66 degrees in Doylestown, Trenton around 67, and a check of the shore. Temperatures are in the lower 60s and mid 60s down toward Atlantic City, 63 in Sea Isle City. A little bit cooler at the shore. We have had for sure, a little bit of a sea breeze, and that has given us a chance to be a little bit on the cooler side of things. And no doubt, while everybody else will be in the 80s tomorrow, the Jersey Shore will most likely stay in the 70s. Right now, with a dew point coming in at 63 degrees, it feels like 70 out there, and the winds are calm. That's going to be the reason why we are likely to see a little bit of fog forming as we head into the early morning hours. Calm winds. Yeah, so that may burn off by about 8, 9 o'clock, but just keep that in mind. 88 degrees, that's where we were today. The record is 92, so we were only 4 degrees away from that. Average high is 80. This will be the week where it slides below, and average high will be in the upper 70s. Tomorrow, right at a glance, 83 degrees in the city of Philadelphia. Will be around 77 up and down the Jersey Shore, back toward the north and the west, low and middle 80s. We're looking at 75 up toward Mount Pocono. This is going to be the one weather maker this week for sure. That's going to be this area of low pressure. It's a coastal low forming off the Carolinas. It's going to move north, and eventually it's going to move out. But before it does that, it's going to send us some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder by late Tuesday into Wednesday. And the potential is there as well for us to potentially get in on some coastal flooding, maybe a little bit of rip current action. We'll keep that under close watch. I also want to talk about the Atlantic. It's been very quiet so far this season, right? This cluster of storms here, which, by the way, is being a little bit held back by Saharan dust. You can see a big plume of dust right there off the coast of Africa. It's going to move further east and eventually strengthen. In fact, there's a good chance that we may have a tropical storm Gabrielle within the next couple of days, but there is no immediate threat for us or really anywhere across the eastern seaboard. Let's talk about late overnight tonight and into the early part of your Monday. Just a few clouds. Again, we'll have increasing clouds starting Monday morning. Nice and bright to start. By the afternoon, though, we'll certainly see some more cloud cover and maybe a sprinkle north and west. Once we get into your Tuesday, there's a much better chance that we'll have not only a few sprinkles out there, but mostly overcast skies. By Tuesday afternoon, a better chance for a couple of showers. It's really Wednesday that you'll need your umbrella, though. Tuesday, again, it'll be dodging very light showers in a couple of spots. A better chance for more, we'll say, scattered, not widespread, but scattered showers as we head into your Wednesday. Tomorrow morning's commute starts off in the 60s, ends up by 9 o'clock, already turning the corner on 71 degrees, up to 83 degrees in Philadelphia, 76 at the shore, and 82 in the Lehigh Valley. Let's go ahead and bring up that 7-day forecast now. We are talking about temperatures that will be in the 70s. So there's that cool down Aziza was looking for, right? 76 Tuesday, 70 on Wednesday with the rain and the chance for a couple of showers and thunderstorms. Once we get into Thursday and Friday, we start to clear things out, dry things up, and by Friday, we start the beginning of next weekend off on a very warm note with highs near 90 degrees before cooling down Saturday and Sunday. Aziza?
All right, Andrew, I was not looking forward to that cool down, but we'll take it with fall.